In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the economic calendar built into MetaTrader 5. This built-in tool helps you plan trades around major news so you're not caught off guard by sudden market moves. Start by opening MetaTrader 5, press Ctrl+T to open the toolbox panel at the bottom of your screen. Then click the Calendar tab. If you don't see it right away, drag the panel up a bit or widen the window. The calendar will load a list of upcoming and recent economic events. Let's break down what you're looking at. Each event is tied to a country or currency like USD for the US dollar, EUR for the euro, or GBP for the British pound. You'll see the scheduled time of the release, which uses your platform's time zone, so keep that in mind if you trade across regions. There's also an impact level. High-impact events are flagged to show they can move markets more aggressively, while medium and low-impact items are typically less volatile. Finally, you'll see three key numbers: previous, which is the last reported figure; forecast, which is what analysts expect; and actual, which fills in at the release time. The bigger the difference between actual and forecast, the more dramatic the potential price reaction. Focus first on high-impact news. These are the ones most likely to spark volatility and widen spreads. For the US dollar, think headline releases like non-farm payrolls, inflation prints such as CPI, and interest rate decisions. For the euro, watch central bank decisions. For the British pound, UK data can be a driver. Mark these on your trading day so you know when to be cautious. Next, tie the news to your pairs. If an event is marked USD, expect EURUSD, GBPUSD, and USDJPY to react. This connection helps you choose which charts to monitor and whether to scale back, tighten risk, or prepare for momentum setups when the data hits. Set alerts so you never miss a release. In the calendar, choose to set an alert or switch to the Alerts tab in the toolbox and right-click to create one. Configure the alert to notify you a few minutes before the event, pick a sound or notification method, and confirm it's active. This small step ensures you're ready rather than rushing. Make the calendar part of your daily routine. Open it at the start of your session, scan today's high-impact events, and decide whether you'll trade the news or avoid the market during those windows. With a few minutes of preparation, you'll trade with clearer expectations and better timing.